Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss Science Olympiad Test Paper for Class 3, Year 2023, Set A. Kids, I have uploaded explanation video of every topic. You can watch that video in the playlist of Class 3. Question number 1. In how many different ways can the camel reach the pond? Kids, it is camel and here is pond. How many ways are there? First, this way, one. Second, this, two. Third way is this, three. And this is four. This one is five. And then here is six. There are total 6 ways. Answer is option D, 6. Question number 2. There is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on the either side of column. Identify the relationship between the left pair and find the missing figure. Kids, these two figures are given and they have a relationship. This is a square and the square has 4 sides. And in second figure, square has a triangle inside it which has 3 sides. That means triangle has one less side than square. This is a pentagon and pentagon has 5 sides. And the inside figure will come is less than 1. That is 5 minus 4 is 1. So the figure inside the pentagon is square because square has 4 sides. So answer is option C. Kids, I hope you understand this question. Question number 3. How many groups of 4 ducks can each be formed from the given ducks? Option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option D 6. Let's make group of 4 ducks. 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. So how many groups are there? There are total 4 groups. Answer is option B. Question number 4. Find the missing number in the given pattern. Option A 320, option B 360, option C 380, option D 300. Numbers are given 120 and 150, then 190, then 240. If we add 30 in 120, we get 150. And 150 plus 40 is 190. 190 plus 50 is 240. So the next number will come 240 plus 60. That is 240 plus 60 is 300. So our answer is option D, 300. We can check if it is 300. Next number will come plus 70. And this is 370 is given here. So our answer is correct. Answer is option D, 300. Kids, if you understand this question, please like this video. Question number 5. Arrange the alphabets given below to form a meaningful English word and identify the category of that word. This word is given. If we unscramble this word, we can make horse. And horse is an animal. So our answer is option B, animal. Question number 6. Look at the given picture and identify plant part P. This part is root because it is a carrot and this P part is root. How is plant part P useful to a plant? Statement A. It holds the plant firmly to the soil. This statement is correct. Statement B. It stores the food made by the leaves. This statement is also correct. Statement C. It absorbs water and mineral salts from the soil. This is also true. Statement D. It transports water and mineral salts to all parts of the plant. This statement is incorrect because branches and stems transports water and mineral salt to all parts of the plant. So answer is option D. A, B and C only are correct. Question number 7. Refer to the given flow chart. This flow chart is given. Which of the following options represents the transported substances W, X, Y and Z correctly? The arrow shows the direction of movement of substances W, X, Y and Z. In this flow chart, green leaf to stem is going Y and stem to roots is Z. Then roots to stem is X and stem to green leaf is W. So from green leaf to stem what goes? This is food. And stem to roots is also food. So Y and Z is food. In option A, it is given Y and Z is food. So answer is option A. No other options have this one. Food in YZ. So answer is option A. Let's check others. From root to stem goes is water and stem to green leaf is also water. So W and X is water, Y and Z is food. So answer is option A correct. Kids, if you understand this question, give me a like. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a characteristic of the bird whose food is shown in the given picture? This picture is shown and we know that these are food of vulture, kite or eagle. So option A, it is a flesh eating bird. Yes, these are flesh eating birds, so this is correct. Option B, it is also known as the bird of prey. This is also correct. Option C, it lays the largest egg in the world. We know that ostrich lays the largest egg in the world and this is not the ostrich food. So this option is incorrect. Answer is option C. This characteristic is not the bird of which foot is shown in the picture. Statement D, it has hooked beak. Yes, these birds have hooked beaks. So answer is option C. Question number 9. Unscramble the given letter groups to find out the name of a cooking method by which biscuits are made. If we unscramble these words, we get roasting, baking, boiling and steaming. And we know biscuits are made by baking. So our answer is option B, baking. Question number 10. Preservation of food is done to option A, keep it fresh for a long time. Option B, prevent it from getting spoiled. Option C, keep the nutrients intact for a long time. Option D, all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 11. Mekhela Chador is a traditional dress worn by the women of which state? Option A, Kashmir, Punjab, Gujarat, Assam. And answer is option D, Assam. Question number 12. Which of the following items are used for cleaning purpose in the house? A is dusting brush, B is scissor, C is mop, D is vacuum cleaner. And we know that scissor is not used to clean the house. So answer is option B, A, C and D only. Question number 13. Which of the following is a characteristic of synthetic fibers? Option A, they absorb less water. This is correct for synthetic fiber. Option B, they dry quickly. Yes, this is also correct. Option C, they are wrinkle resistant. Yes, this is also correct. So answer is option D, all of these. Question number 14. We tend to slip while walking on the wet floor as compared to the dry floor. This is because option A, gravitational force is more on the wet floor. Option B, frictional force is more on the wet floor. Option C, frictional force is less on the wet floor. Option D, gravitational force is less on the wet floor. And the answer is option C, frictional force is less on the wet floor. Question number 15. Identify the labeled parts 1 to 4 of human digestive system in the given figure and answer the following question. From which part of the human digestive system nutrients are absorbed into the blood stream? From which part nutrients are absorbed in blood stream? It is small intestine. And if we check in the picture, one is mouth, second is stomach, third is large intestine, and fourth is small intestine. That is, answer is option D, 4. Question number 15. For sending an email, the mobile or computer should be connected to dash. Option A, fax machine. Option B, printer. Option C, cordless phone. Option D, internet. Answer is option D, internet. Question number 17. Which of the following phases of moon immediately follows this picture moon? And answer is option A. Question number 18. Which of the following symbols shows canal on a map? And answer is option D. Question number 19. Which of these mudras, that is hand gestures, in dance depicts a deer head? Answer is option C. Question number 20. Study the given Venn diagram and identify animal X. Animal X, its young one is called a kid and the sound it produces is called bleat. The sound bleat is a sound of goat and its young one is also called a kid. So answer is option C. Question number 21. Which of the following options shows incorrect posture? Look at the picture carefully and answer by yourself. And answer is option D. Both A and C are incorrect postures. Question number 22. Rohit and Shivani were standing as shown in the given figure. Rohit waved to Shivani and she smiled in reply. Sheet P can be made of option A, wood, B, iron, C, rubber, D, glass. When Shivani replied and smiled, that means this is a transparent sheet. They can see both each other. They can see each other. So answer is option D, glass. Glass is a transparent while wood, iron and rubber are not transparent. They cannot see through these objects. Question number 23. Water is essential for us as option A, it helps to remove waste material from our body. Option B, it helps to keep our body cool. Option C, it helps in the digestion of food. Option D, all of these. And the correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 24. Riddhi ran to open the door when her father rang the doorbell. She uses the sense of dash. Option A, hearing. Option B, sight. Option C, touch. Option D, taste. And the correct answer is option A, hearing. Question number 25. Onam is celebrated in Kerala for dash days. Option A, 2. Option B, 5. Option C, 10. Option D, 20. And the correct answer is option C, 10 days. Question number 26. Which of the following kids is or are not following safety rules? In first picture, kids are standing on the desk, so they are not following safety rules. In option B, kids are playing on the road, so this is also incorrect. They are not following safety rules. In option C, the boy is taking her head outside the window. So he is also not following safety rules. So our answer is option D, all of these. Question number 27. X is a force that works in the opposite direction of movement of an object in contact with the surface. X is a dash. The force which works in the opposite direction of movement is frictional force. So our answer is option D, frictional force. Number 28. Chalk is used for writing on blackboards because option A, it is a soft rock. Option B, it is made up of sandstone. Option C, it is hard rock. Option D, it is made of silica. And the correct answer is option A, it is a soft rock. Question number 29. Select the correct statement. Option A, Thar Desert is located in South Africa. This is incorrect. Thar Desert is in India. Option B, River Ganga is one of the rivers of India. Yes, this is correct. So our answer is option B. Option C, Dal Lake in Andaman is very famous of India. Dal Lake is in Kashmir, not Andaman. Option D, Deccan Plateau is located in China. Deccan Plateau is in India, not the China. So correct answer is option B. Question number 30. Identify the road sign shown in the given picture. On option A, on way. Option B, speed breaker ahead. Option C, no overtaking. Option D, slippery road ahead. And the correct answer is option D, slippery road ahead. Question number 31. Study the given table and select the option that best represents the heading P, Q and R. Here animals, goldfish, grasshopper and emu are given. First we check which characteristics these animals can hold. For option A, can fly, here it is given for goldfish, it cannot fly. So this is correct. For grasshopper, can fly, this is incorrect because here for grasshopper P is given, cannot fly. So option A is incorrect. In option B, for goldfish cannot fly is correct. Grasshopper can fly, but here it's given cannot fly. So option B is incorrect. In option C, has wings. Goldfish do not has wings. Grasshopper has wings. Emu has wings. This is correct. For P. Now for Q, goldfish lays eggs, but here it is crossed. So this is also incorrect. For option D, can breathe through lungs. Yes, P cannot breathe through lungs is correct. Goldfish has lungs. Goldfish do not has lungs. It breathes through gills. So this is correct. P is correct for goldfish. Grasshopper can breathe through lungs. No. Emu can breathe through lungs. So this is correct for all. Goldfish, grasshopper and emu. Now second for Q, can fly. Goldfish cannot fly, emu cannot fly, but grasshopper can fly. So Q is correct for all of these. Now for R, lays eggs. All three lays eggs. So this is correct for all three. Answer is option D. Question number 32. Refer to the given word grid and answer the following questions. For X, how many birds having chisel-shaped beak are hidden in the word grid? Y, how many birds that wade through water are hidden in the word grid? First, we find out how many birds are there. I can see woodpecker. Kids, try to find out how many birds are there. Woodpecker, crane, hoop, heron, and stork. There are total 5 birds, out of which woodpecker and hoop has chisel-shaped beak. That means 2 for X and 3 for Y. Answer is option C. Kids, I hope you understand this. Question number 33. Refer to the given flowchart and identify the materials P, Q, R and S. In this flowchart, it is given it is obtained from trees. Yes, that is P. P is obtained from trees. So we can see that option B, wooden door, and D, paper can be obtained from trees. So answer can be B or D. In Q, it is not obtained from trees and it is transparent. Yes, Q is transparent and not obtained from trees. Tire is not transparent and not, but window pane is transparent. So answer is option D. Let's check others. For R is shiny, is not transparent. So steel glass is correct. S is light and durable. So answer is, this is plastic chair is correct. So answer is option D. Question number 34. Veera shone a torchlight at a bunch of grapes as shown in the given picture. What can Veera do to enlarge the shadow of the bunch of grapes on the screen? Statement 1. Shift the screen closer to the grapes. Statement 2. Shift the screen away from the grapes. Statement 3. Shift the grapes nearer to the torch. Statement 4. Shift the torch further away from the grapes. Statement 2 and 3 are correct as it will make the distance between the screen and the bunch of grapes. So, and the shadow of the bunch will enlarge. So, answer is option D, 2 and 3. Question number 35. Refer to the given experiment setup and select the option that correctly fills the blanks in the given sentence. After some time, there will be formation of water droplets. 1 due to 2. Here, this is hot plate and water in a beaker. Here is ice. So, when water will evaporate, it will touch to the metallic place inside the metallic place because the metallic plate is cold due to ice. So, water will condense. Here it will make water droplets. That means answer is after some time there will be formation of droplets, water droplets on the underside of the metallic plate due to condensation. Answer is option D. Thanks for watching. Kids, if you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe.